Question 28. The heights of students in a class were recorded. The results for this class are displayed in the cumulative frequency graph shown. The shortest student in this class is 130 centimeters and the tallest student is 180 centimeters. Construct a box plot for this class in the space below. So for a box plot, you need a 5-number summary, which includes the lowest value, the highest value, your Q1, Q2, and your Q3, where your Q1 is also known as, your Q2 is also known as the median. So let's first draw in the tails. So 130 is our lowest and 180 is our highest. And now we've got to find our Q1, 2, and 3. So if we look at 100%, right, on this cumulative frequency chart, we go to the line graph part and go to the end, and this is going to represent 100%. And that's 30 students. So if we want 50%, we go 30 divided by 2, and that's 15. So at 15, this is where it hits the line graph. Now 75% is going to be 22.5. So let's draw across here and see where it hits. It's a little bit high, probably because I drew it up a bit higher, but I think it's basically going to hit this cross section here. And that's 75%. And then 25% is going to be about 7.5. So this goes around here. So now where it's hit the line graph, we can draw lines vertically down and get an answer for what this Q1, 2, and 3 will be. So, right, and this was the highest height, the biggest height. So at 25%, it goes down to 135, and at 50%, it goes down between these two columns. So between these two columns is 140. Right, because 135 to 145, divide that gap by 2, 140. The reason why we are choosing 140 is because height in centimeters is a continuous value, right? And if you have a continuous number on your cumulative frequency chart, you use the x-axis like a number line, and you don't necessarily refer to the columns as the value for the 25, 50, 75%. So at 25%, it's going to be 135. At 50%, it's going to be 140. And at 75%, it's going to be 160. So over here. So this is our box. And then, oops, it's a bit long. This is our box. And then this is our tail.